the more common complaints I hear about the Mazda 2 is that the throttle pedal is just a little too far from the brake pedal, and it makes it more difficult to work that heel-toe magic down in the footwell. But there is a solution, and depending on what you've got around your garage, this could be inexpensive or even free to do. You're only going to need 2 items to complete this project. Something that's solid yet shapeable like this particle board, and some high-strength double-sided tape. It's just that easy. I use this particle board because, well, I had it lying around, and it's lightweight yet thick enough to stand up to the abuse. I've been wanting to make a nicer, newer one, and a couple people brought this subject up lately, so here we are. I've got an advantage in having this template, if you will, already made, but if you're starting from scratch and you're doing this, just measure the dimensions of the throttle pedal and add some when you're making your template. I want a little bit more heft on it this time, so I've got it at an angle, and I'm going to cut some more meat out of the particle board this time. Template's made, now all we gotta do is cut. And just be sure to be careful if you're using a death wheel like I am. And there we are. Nice and cleaned up looking. Let's go see how it looks on the pedal. Oh yeah, that's more like what I was going for. Well, I'm a dummy. I tried to bend it just a little bit to put some curve in it so it'll sit on the pedal a little bit better, and I done broke it. Now I gotta make another one. Hang on. Alright, that's better. Hopefully I won't break this one. Paint is done, and admittedly this doesn't look very nice, but whatever, it's gonna work. There's one last thing to add before it goes into the car. Some grip tape. I added a little bit on the inside edge of this one to ensure that my shoes grip the pedal every time. Boom! Into the car we go. So there it is, loosely in place. Now all I gotta do is make sure it grips all the tape, hold it into place, and it should be good to go once it cures. As some extra insurance, just drill a couple holes and zip tie the whole thing to the pedal itself, just to ensure that it never goes anywhere. This is nice and solid, and it's gonna do the job. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can take some junk that's lying around your garage and turn it into a tool to help you become a heel-toe pro. This method can be applied to any car with pedal placement issues, really, but I made this video specifically for my friends in the Mazda 2 community because I've been there and I know the struggle. So I hope this helps you guys out, and I hope you have enjoyed it. That's it for me this time. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Relatively clear. Oh. Damn it.